Walking on a busy street, and all of a sudden you realize something nice is being cooked somewhere. Why? Because of smell. Hello and welcome to Go Learning. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away. But to get the smell of cold food, you have to go close. Why? This is so because particles of matter possess kinetic energy and keep moving constantly. As temperature increases, the kinetic energy also increases and particles move faster. Particles of hot sizzling food possess large kinetic energy and diffuse in air rapidly and reach several meters away, whereas particles of cold food possess less kinetic energy and are not able to reach several meters away. Thanks for watching Go Learning.